There's not many codes in it.
It hasn't finished scanning.
Yeah, I know, but I thought it was going to be leopard codes.
Right, there you go.
Oh, well, there you go.
So is this safe, this thing?
Yeah.
It's not ideal then, no?
It's not ideal.
There she goes.
Off we go.
Yeah, so we've not got the best news on the Jag today, but some good news. Hydro have released some new products. Of course, you've heard about Hydro unless you've been living under a rock. If you haven't been living under a rock, you have seen Hydro. Now, these are brand new products which they have launched today. They've got an easy wash, which is something I'm going to be using a lot because you don't really need to clean the car. You can just spray that and it cleans it for you. You've got Hydro Alloy, which obviously cleans your alloys. You've got some Hydro Glass, which obviously cleans your glass. And you've got some Hydro Fallout. Now, this stuff is what you spray on to release or get rid of all the iron on your wheels and side skirts and wherever you might have iron. Now, there's a reason why every man and his dog are using Hydro on Instagram, and if you've not actually ordered the products to find out that reason, they're giving you a better reason to find out that reason. Now, they are doing their biggest giveaway yet. They are giving away one of every single one of their products to a random person who makes an order today, which is Saturday, or tomorrow, which is Sunday, if you're watching this video today, which is Saturday when I uploaded it today on Saturday. They're actually giving the announcement, picking the winner tomorrow as well, so you don't have to wait like 2 weeks to find out if you're a winner or not. And if that's not good enough on its own, you can use my code LEE20. You'll get 20% off everything and you'll actually get free shipping over £30. So today, tomorrow, don't forget, you get a chance to win one of everything on the whole website. I know you're going to do it, I don't need to tell you. I know you're probably on the website right now. Don't go to the video, but go on the website after this video, link in the description. Good morning, everybody. You will see, or you will have seen in the last video, we picked up the Jag. We got the Jag, the V8 Supercharged 5 litre V8 Supercharged Jag. And you'll see that we got it cheap, because we got it cheap because there's an issue with it. It could be an absolute tiny minor issue, or it could be something a bit bigger. So today, obviously, we're down at Gold Motors, we're still here. Today we're gonna actually get it in their workshop, which is here, and we're gonna try to diagnose what the hell is going on with it. Now, what's happening with the car is that it drives absolutely fine, drives normal. I did a 2-hour drive yesterday. When you're putting your foot down 75%, it's fine. If you go full throttle to the limiter almost, and like, especially uphill, it goes into like a performance restricted mode, and it goes kind of like a limit mode. It still drives, but you just can't boot it. If you turn the car on and off again, it kind of resets itself and it drives fine again. Now, I've looked into common issues of these online, and apparently the two main common issues of these are it's somewhat of a boost leak or a vacuum leak, or it's the fuel pumps. They have 2 high pressure fuel pumps on each head, or each side of the block. But I know they have 2, I'm not sure where they are. And apparently what happens with them is that when you're high up in the revs, it's not delivering enough fuel as it needs to be. So we got the car here, we're going to pull it in and we're going to put it on the scanner and we're going to do a smoke test, and hopefully that will tell us what's wrong with the Jag.
Past 5,000 RPM on full boost, yeah. Goes into restricted performance sometimes.
Probably overboost, yeah.
Overboost?
Yeah.
So, vacuum leak, something like that?
People online say high pressure fuel pumps.
You got your key?
Yeah, they're saying this crack has happened since I've had the car. Because I was like, I swear that wasn't there. And the first thing you said was, yeah, that wasn't there when we bought.
Last night, wasn't it?
There we go, we know what the issue is. Fuel rail pressure system too low, so it's one of the fuel pumps. Does it say which size?
No, it's just saying, just fuel rail.
Right. So where are they? Are they on the front of the head? Whereabouts are they?
They'll be on the top of the head somewhere. They'll run off a cam.
At least we know.
It's a bit annoying. I was hoping it was going to be boost leak.
No. We was like, boost leak, we'll sort it. We'll get it mapped by 12.
We'll tune it by 8:30.
600 horsepower for the way home. Unfortunately not though.
There's not many codes in it.
It hasn't finished scanning.
Yeah, I know, but I thought it was going to be leopard codes.
Right, there you go.
Oh, well, there you go.
Okay, so we assume it's one of the high pressure fuel pumps. It's quite a common issue on these, and with the mileage it makes sense. Jag parts like really hard to get hold of for some reason, but yeah, we're gonna take it along for the day. It's gonna be a funny day. Taking the range out, yeah. Right, what's the plan for the day, Chris?
Well, I'm just going to the shop.
Yeah.
Go to my mum's house. I'm going to hit the seas.
We're gonna hit the seas. I'm very excited for that. So apparently what was there, like some old decommissioned warships and stuff on the seafront, is there?
Yeah, loads of them.
And we can drive right past them, and
they're all like,
in Miss Molly.
They're all anchored, and they're all anchored up like in Plymouth Sound as well. So you've got like big bastards out there and stuff. It's cool. It's very, very cool. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. It's fast, isn't it?
For what it is,
Yeah.
like it is, it does weigh 2.5 tons.
Right, so this is the boat we're going out on the sea in, right?
Yeah, we'll cut this camera because we no.
Right on, boy! Right.
He used to have a windscreen that, but he fell through it.
I'm not worried. Are you worrying?
I ain't worrying. I've been out this plenty of times.
Where are these from? IKEA?
IKEA, yeah.
So you've drilled the wood into the floor and then siliconed them into the base?
Well, no, we made the.
Yeah,
we had to cut them down.
Yeah.
They were normal chairs, drew the hole, sort the legs in, glued them, screwed them to the floor, job done.
Job done, yeah.
And if anything, it's more comfy than the originals.
These were the originals.
Look, you can be,
Why is there a big hole in the floor?
He might have sat on one and it collapsed.
No, basically, we moored up.
So is this safe, this thing?
Yeah. You just do this unsafe stuff.
Right, I'm going.
Bye-bye.
Right on.
Everyone's leaving while we're going on the boat. Is this a sign?
No.
So this is Chris's Land Rover. If you've seen the last video, we inserted a clip of him going through the windscreen. So you got the intake here, and then the exhaust here. It says hot. Woo!
Look at the differ, look at the size of the differ.
Look at hell.
Yeah, flatbed industry proper, real good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a beauty.
It's a beauty.
Sounds nuts, doesn't it?
So, yeah.
Listen.
What engine is it? The TD5?
TD5, yeah.
Fucking hell. So we're on the way. Where are we going?
So Ash, mate.
Salt Ash.
Yeah, so
We got the lovely boat on the back.
Oh mate, this is not good for the people.
We've got the
On the back of a recovery truck. We've got a boat
We've got a boat on a trailer,
on the trailer,
on the back of a trailer,
on a recovery truck. Oh, it's not good, is it?
You want to see it, get it off the trailer.
It gets better yet, mate.
So it looks like we might not be getting in, eh?
Mate, we'll get in.
That's not good, is it?
You alright with it?
Be alright?
Okay, that's quite bad.
I've never seen that low. You alright with it? The truck's gonna have to go off the jetty.
Mate, is it going to pull its back up?
I don't know, mate, we'll find out, won't we?
Hang on a minute, Alex. I mean, there's...
Oh, let's go.
Even I'm a bit like, I'm not sure about it. Normally, the boats afloat about here,
Right.
and it's all the way down there.
It's not ideal then, no?
It's not ideal.
Nah, that's not somewhere near
So we're
for
going to keep the front wheels on the...
Yeah, keep the front wheels on, you'll be right.
Someone else has done that, you know.
Come on.
Oh, it's fine now.
It's right, it'll be right. It'll be right.
It'll be re. Sweet.
There she goes. Beauty. What are we doing?
You're the ignition.
What am I doing?
You're the ignition.
Okay.
So you start it. Oh my god, there's a bit of water.
Oh my god, there's a lot of water in there.
There's a little bit of water.
Right, Lee, you got to do this, sir.
Yeah.
You got that jump, Lee, when he wants it.
Yeah.
Touch it on that terminal.
Right, okay.
Oh, with this jump. Actually, with this.
Quick boat jump.
Wait, so this on the positive, yeah?
Yeah, just.
Oh, so I'm just going to send, is that just sending power to the starter, yeah?
I mean, that's not very cool.
Uh-oh.
It's alright.
It's alright. Cool. Got it.
It's fine, mate. No. Something's in.
Here we go. So,
Alex, go real slow.
we're committing to this.
Go on, just go for it.
Oh my god. I mean, it doesn't sound...
Let's go. The engine's hit. It's hit. It's hit the floor. I think we'll be alright, Alex. Like that.
Oh. Yeah?
When he needs to, Lee.
Oh
You have to
god.
somehow like hang off this
Yeah.
and like just or try and knock that lever up and then it'll just drop down.
Right.
Leave it there.
Once we're in the water, do we do that? Right.
It's fine. Mate, it will work. Got loads of
We've got loads of room. Right, do you want me to drop the engine now?
You can. Mate, you can get the back wheels off. You're going to have to wait for the tide a bit.
It's not really in the water, is it?
I need to put the engine.
Listen, we'll put it back this way. You can drop the engine in.
Right. Right, we're in. The engine's in.
Right, the engine's in.
Do you want me to jump it? Are we jumping?
Yeah. Jumping now.
Oh god, it's stuck on me, 1 sec.
Off we go.
Wait, do I need to lock the engine down? Or just leave it?
No, lower it down. Oh, no. It's in reverse. So it's gonna have
Right.
I don't know what's going on here.
Come on, boy.
Go on, boy.
Come on. Oh.
I mean, I don't know what else we can do really. Right, we need a full push, like because
Full push, full reverse. Are you ready?
3,
2, 1.
Fucking give it some.
Give it.
We're so close.
Hey, what's that? Woo!
Yeah, we're sailing now.
We're sailing now.
There we are.
It's a bit
Fucking choppy, man.
It's a bit choppy, right?
We fucking got in there, didn't we?
We got in.
I can hear a scream.
Whoa!
Engine's out of water.
There we go, guys. Whoa!
Skipping now.
Look at this. Woo! Whoa, that's weird diving under that bridge, isn't it? Whoa, that is creepy, man.
Brunel Bridge.
God, I'm squatted up now, 5 man deep. There's a submarine over there, look at the submarine. And then there's like a few warships or something which we're going to go drive past. Look at the submarine. Look at that, so cool.
Yeah.
I should have filmed it.
I'm fucking drunk, man.
Right, so this is us, is it? We're going up here.
Go on, Luke.
It's not going to fall out my pocket, is it?
Yeah. Mate, you're fine. You're only going up a ladder.
Yeah, you fucking better. Oh my god, that's scary. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, that's creepy. Oh, that's creepy. Oh my god. Where is this one here? That was a rubbish one. Oh, it was rubbish. That's the pulley. The pulley. Come back here! I can't feel my feet!
Fucking dreads.
There we go, we're going in for a landing.
Oh god.
Is this the worst bit?
Well no, it's just like it can be. It should be easy now because we've got reverse. Stop! Not half as funny as usual.
Oh, is that it? We're done?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Oh, alright,
So,
cool.
Normally it's a fuck up. Last time he crashed it
Sorry.
Look at that beauty!
Easy as that look.
Easy as that look.
We're out.
We go. Oh. So I thought I ended the video, but turns out I didn't. I had a very long drive back from Cornwall, so I just got on the road. We didn't dive too much into the issues of the Jag today, just mainly because of time. We wanted to have a fun day and we didn't have much time. But in the next episode, you will see a few days worth of content in one video of me finding more issues with the Jag. And you know what? Fixing them as well. So I love you all, and we'll see you in the next one.